This is CMA Pradeep Dhyani and welcome to a new video. So guys, in this video, I will try to clarify the doubt of all CMA students who are taking admissions. They need to choose. We have two options, oral and postal. So I will tell about what is oral and what is postal. And with conclusion, I will also with some of the example, I will clarify that who is best, oral or postal. So guys, I will explain one by one. What is oral? First, I will try to explain. In oral institute, when you choose oral, institute will provide coaching of all subject, either foundation, inter or final student. So institute will provide coaching. You need not to worry about coaching. You go to the institute chapter and they will provide the best faculty for every subject. So no need to worry. And for oral, you need to complete at least there is a criteria for percentage 50 percentage, which is easily no need to worry about the attendance. And institute will also take a exam, which is not a no need to worry. The main concern, the main worry, I will tell about later. So guys, you understand, you need to fulfill the attendance criteria and you need to give one exams. So guys, this is no need to worry about the attendance criteria, which is fulfilled by all the students. So guys, and in postal you need to submit some paper which is exempt, which is currently exempt due to pandemic, but maybe institute will carry further, but in the due to pandemic in 2020 institute will exempt. So guys, now come up with the in postal, you understand, in oral institute will provide the faculty of every subject, you need not to worry. But in postal you need to arrange yourself, either you can go private coaching or you can do self study. So guys, and I am explaining and concluding that who is best. So guys, I in my CMA journey found either in any level, either in foundation, inter or final, I never go with oral coaching. I always go with postal coaching. And some of the subject I have managed by myself with self study, and I have taken some private coaching, but I never go with oral coaching. Reason is that I have engrossed with some CMA friends. They have earlier taken the oral coaching but didn't clear their in first attempt. I asked the reason. They said that the fraternity is very good, but they have limited time to complete the whole syllabus. They will not able to complete the whole syllabus. They try but not able to complete the whole syllabus. So guys, this is the main concern in CMA. If you are not able to complete your whole syllabus or 80 or 90%, then this is a concern. So guys, those students take private coaching and then they will clear. I am not promoting guys any private coaching. You should do self study. But if you are supposing that you are oral coaching, institute will complete your whole syllabus, but at the end when your syllabus is over and you found that you are unable to complete your remaining 30%, then this is a concern for you. So guys, based on my experience, based on my journey in foundation, inter, final, I never go without even wasting a single minute. I always go with postal coaching. Guys, I am not promoting or demoting anything, but I am just explaining and trying to explain you so that you can also benefit with this. So in future also I will come up with such kind of motivational videos, strategies videos, and everything for CMA fraternity and CMA student. No need to worry, I will come up such kind of videos. You can also tell me that what kind of video you need. I will make such kind of videos, and I will try to, so that you can, all foundation, inter and final students should clear their exam as early as possible. So guys, I hope you understand that as per my opinion, and I have based on my experience, which lot of my friends faced, they will also tell that postal is better than coaching. No need to waste, guys. It is my humble request, if you are trying something and waste your 6 months, you are not aware of 6 month cost. If as much as per early you clarify your CMA, if you fortunately you got the chance in campus, so 6 month cost you can easily recover from if you have taken the private coaching. So guys, I'm concluding the video that as per my opinion and based on my experience, that I will go with postal coaching, and suggest all the CMA student that postal coaching is better than oral coaching. This is my experience, my opinion. So guys, I will come up such kind of videos, and hope you like the video. Thank you so much guys. Keep enjoying and keep studying. Bye guys.